I'm Graham Hill, Director here at Complete Cooling Services Ltd. We provide air conditioning, refrigeration, ventilation systems to our clients throughout the UK from our base here in the East Midlands. We care and we want to make sure that our clients get an outstanding level of service. At Complete Cooling Services, we can provide solutions for whatever your requirements are, whether it's a man cave or a study at home, a garden room, or a multi-storey office building. From the initial inquiry, we basically offer a free on-site survey to the client, and then we will attend site, assess the situation, and then come away and put together a package or a solution that we believe is going to tick all the boxes for the client. As soon as we have been advised that they're happy to proceed, then we basically would give them a date when we'll be looking at installing for them, which will be mutually convenient for both of us. Once we've agreed a date for installation, it's then down to our installation team to attend site, and they will provide a professional service and cause as minimal disruption for the client as possible. Once the equipment's been installed, it's down to our installation team then to provide the client with a bit of training on how to get the best from their systems. Complete Cooling Services also provide refrigeration solutions to commercial premises and businesses in the line of walk-in cold rooms, walk-in freezers, blast chillers and chillers, many other products. With energy costs rising, this is where people are looking for alternatives to electric heaters and wet radiator systems. This is where air conditioning systems can become energy efficient solutions, which will provide heating as well as cooling. So whether home or business, we can provide you with a no obligation quotation and a free site survey. No salesman will be calling. The only person you will see will be an engineer who will be coming to assess your requirements.